Our planet is a world of wonders. We have scaled its highest mountains and crossed its vast deserts. Yet there is a place of profound mystery that remains largely unknown. This is the Mariana Trench. It is the deepest part of our world's oceans, a place of complete darkness and unimaginable pressure. For centuries, we could only guess what lay in this extreme abyss. Scientists believed it might be a lifeless zone, a place too harsh for anything to survive. The crushing weight of the water above is immense, 1,000 times greater than at the surface. It is a world without sunlight, colder than we can easily imagine, and it represents one of the last true frontiers for exploration right here on our home planet. What secrets does this hidden world hold? The quest to answer this question has driven human curiosity for generations. To journey into the Mariana Trench is more challenging than traveling into space. It requires extraordinary technology and immense courage. The deep sea is a realm that has guarded its mysteries fiercely, pushing back against our attempts to understand it. But the drive to explore, to see what has never been seen, is a powerful force. We want to know what life, if any, could possibly endure in such conditions. Understanding this final frontier is not just about discovery. It is about understanding the very limits of life itself and the incredible resilience of nature. For a long time, the Hadal Zone, the area deeper than 6,000 meters, was thought to be a barren wasteland. The name itself comes from Hades, the underworld of Greek mythology, which tells you how inhospitable we thought it was. Early explorations were limited, offering only fleeting glimpses into this dark kingdom. We could send down unmanned probes, but they could only do so much. The information they sent back was sparse, leaving more questions than answers. Was it truly empty, or was there a hidden ecosystem, a community of creatures that had found a way to not just survive, but to thrive in the most extreme environment on Earth? The mystery of the trench was a standing challenge to science. Now, that is all changing. A new chapter in ocean exploration is being written. The darkness is slowly giving way to light, and the silence is being broken by the hum of advanced machinery. The Mariana Trench is no longer an untouchable, unknowable void. It is becoming a place of vibrant discovery, a place that is rewriting our understanding of biology and the history of life on our planet. We are on the brink of unveiling secrets that have been hidden for millennia. Secrets that could change how we view our world and our place within it. The journey into the deep is a journey into the heart of what makes our living planet so extraordinary. To unlock the secrets of the deep, we need more than just curiosity. We need remarkable tools. China has brought such a tool to the world stage. It is a deep-sea submersible named Fendouzhe, which means striver in English. This incredible machine is a vessel of exploration, a true pioneer. It is designed to withstand the immense pressures of the Hadal Zone. More importantly, it can carry scientists down into the abyss. This allows them to see the environment with their own eyes and to conduct careful, systematic research. The Fendouzhe is not just a vehicle, it is a mobile laboratory, a beacon of light in the eternal night of the deep sea. The development of the Fendouzhe submersible represents a giant leap forward in our ability to explore. Before, much of our work was done remotely, like trying to understand a forest by looking at it through a keyhole. Now, with human-occupied vehicles like this, we have opened the door wide. Scientists can descend to the very bottom of the trench, more than 10,000 meters below the surface. They can meticulously collect samples of water, sediment, and even living creatures. This hands-on approach is crucial. It provides pristine samples that are not damaged by a long journey to the surface, giving us the clearest possible picture of this hidden world. Led by institutions like Shanghai Jiaotong University and the Institute of Deep Sea Science and Engineering, Chinese scientists embarked on a groundbreaking mission. The Mariana Trench Environment and Ecology Research Project, or MIR, was launched in 2021. The goal was ambitious: to create the first comprehensive map of life in the deepest parts of the ocean. Using the Fendouzhe, teams made repeated dives, systematically gathering an unprecedented collection of data. They collected over 2,000 samples from the Mariana Trench and other nearby deep-sea trenches, creating a treasure trove of biological information that would soon astonish the scientific community. This technological capability has placed China at the forefront of deep-sea exploration. It is a remarkable achievement, showcasing a commitment to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The ability to regularly visit and study the Hadal Zone was once the stuff of science fiction. Today, it is a reality. This new age of discovery is powered by innovation and a bold spirit of adventure. The Fendoozhe and the dedicated teams who operate it are our guides to this alien world on our own planet, revealing its wonders one dive at a time and forever changing our perception of the deep blue sea. The results from these deep-sea expeditions have been nothing short of revolutionary. In March of this year, 2025, the world learned that the Mariana Trench is not a biological desert. It is, in fact, teeming with life. Researchers announced they had identified over 7,500 different types of microbes from the samples collected. What is truly astounding is that nearly 90% of these microscopic organisms were completely new to science. They are not found in any existing database. This single project has almost doubled our catalogue of known marine microorganisms. It is as if we have discovered a hidden continent of life, thriving in complete darkness. The discoveries went far beyond the microscopic. The expedition studied a unique crustacean, a type of amphipod that lives between 6,800 and 11,000 meters deep. This remarkable creature possesses a genome that is more than 4 times larger than the human genome. This complexity raises fascinating questions about how life adapts and evolves under such extreme pressure. How does this creature use its vast genetic library to survive? The answer could hold keys to understanding genetics in ways we have never imagined. It is a testament to the sheer ingenuity of nature, which finds a way to flourish in the most unlikely of places, creating complex life forms against all odds. Another long-held scientific belief was overturned. For years, scientists thought the deep-sea fish survived the crushing pressure by producing a chemical called TMAO. But the Chinese research on 11 species of fish from the trench revealed a different story. Below 6,000 meters, fish do not rely on increasing their levels of TMAO. Instead, they accumulate special types of fatty acids in their cell membranes. This adaptation keeps their cells fluid and functioning under pressure that would instantly crush a land animal. This finding fundamentally changes our understanding of deep-sea biology and the clever strategies life employs to conquer extreme environments. Perhaps most exciting are the potential implications for our own health. The organisms living in the trench have unique ways of dealing with cellular stress. They have simplified their antioxidant pathways, the systems that protect cells from damage. Studying these pathways could provide new insights into the aging process and diseases that affect humans. For instance, understanding how these creatures protect themselves could inspire new medical treatments. The deep sea, a place of immense pressure and cold, may hold the secrets to a longer, healthier life on the surface. Life, in its endless variety, always has something to teach us. These breathtaking discoveries are not being kept secret. In a wonderful gesture of global scientific cooperation, China has made all of its genomic data from the Mariana Trench freely available. They have created the world's first open-access database of life from the Hadal Zone. This means that scientists from any country can now study these new microbes and life forms. It allows the entire world to participate in deciphering the secrets of the deep. This act of sharing accelerates discovery and ensures that the knowledge gained benefits all of humanity. It is a powerful example of how science can and should unite us in our quest for understanding. While the data is open, China's technological leadership has undeniably started a new chapter in what some call a race to secure the deep ocean's resources. This is not just about scientific curiosity. The unique biological and genetic material found in the trench could have immense value. It could lead to new medicines, powerful enzymes for breaking down plastics or cleaning up oil spills, and even novel sources of energy. This places a great responsibility on the shoulders of those who explore these fragile ecosystems. We must ensure that our exploration is matched by a commitment to conservation, protecting this unique environment for generations to come. The implications of this research stretch even beyond our own planet. The study of life in the Mariana Trench is a vital part of astrobiology. It teaches us how life might exist in extreme environments elsewhere in our solar system, such as on the icy moons of Jupiter or Saturn. If life can thrive under such immense pressure and in total darkness on Earth, it gives us hope that we might one day find it in the hidden oceans of other worlds. The trench is a natural laboratory for understanding the absolute limits of life, providing a blueprint for what we should look for as we gaze out at the stars. So what comes next? The Mariana Trench has shown us that our planet still holds profound surprises. Every dive brings new questions and possibilities. There is still so much more to explore, so much more to learn. This ongoing journey into the deep is essential for everyone. It enriches our knowledge, inspires new technology, and offers potential solutions to some of our greatest challenges, from disease to pollution. The deep ocean is not a remote, irrelevant place. It is a vital part of our living world, and its health is connected to our own. The story of the trench is a reminder that the greatest wonders of our world are often the ones we have yet to see.